How to enable and disable Instagram data saver. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how we can just disable and just enable Instagram data saver. So go to the profile icon and then click on the three bars on the right top corner and then go to the setting and in setting go for the account and then just from the bottom you can see that there's an option of a cellular data use. Click on that and here you can see that there is the option of the data saver which comes under useless data. You can just enable that and your data will be less used. Mean data saver is turned on, video won't load in advance to help you use less data. So means the video which are loaded in advance will not be loaded just to save your data. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you, and if you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.